What is happening, my film fans? This is Eric Bridges again, and thank you so much for coming to my page. What we have here is a crystal clear look of Killer Croc. Now, before, when I did my previous video, he didn't have a shirt on, and a lot of people were like, ew, he looks like a goober, or ew, he looks like the lizard from Amazing Spider-Man. But now, he looks fantastic. I cannot wait for this movie. Suicide Squad is going to be awesome. Now that, we know that Ben Affleck has been on a set. There's been photos out there, leaked photos in regards to Ben Affleck being on set, being covered up in full Batman uniform. I am super excited for this one, man. Like, this movie is going to be mind-blowing. There was a video that was released, concerning Jared Leto coming out of, it looked like a Ferrari or Lamborghini, and he was talking to Harley Quinn before she had the makeup on. They started going at it. She pointed the gun at his head. He ended up slapping her. They ended up kissing, and I guess ended up getting in the car. Like, it's amazing. I'm telling you guys. And if I can find that video concerning those two, I'll post that down in the description box so you guys can check it out. I am stoked. I am super excited for the Suicide Squad. Are you guys? And do you like this new close-up image of Killer Croc? Post your comments below, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you guys think. And if you're new here, join me on my journey to reach 1,000 subscribers. You guys have a good day. Be blessed. Peace.